The country's top health official, Union Health Secretary Sujatha Rao is now joining us on the program. Thanks very much for being with us, ma'am. The Commonwealth Games village, of course, being in focus. How vulnerable is it, ma'am?
Well, I'm not going to be dishonest with you. Yes, the Asian Games village is certainly something that we have to keep a very, very close watch on. It is vulnerable, there is no doubt. But the point here is that I do think that we are very much in control and can contain it. Inside there is no breeding at all. Now we've got to see how the flood behaves, how the rains behave, and how we are able to sanitize up to 2 kilometers around the Games village as successfully as we've been able to do inside.
Right.
But the other stadia are absolutely dengue free, totally. That I can guarantee you, and I think our chaps have done a very good job.
I see your point, ma'am, but of course there's so much concern on this Games village where the athletes are going to be staying. But ma'am, what about the rest of the city, about people like you and me? There are, of course, all those reports the government is downplaying the threat of dengue, but it's actually already reached epidemic proportions.
I don't think it's anywhere near an epidemic at all. It's certainly an outbreak, but it's not an epidemic, as after all, just about 1,700 cases of mild, that too of a mild, it's not hemorrhagic. That means it doesn't cause so much of mortality. As you might have seen, there's somewhere between 3 to 5 deaths. So it's just mild variant of dengue, and there are, according to us, about 1,700. Maybe if you quibble on figures, maybe 2,000, 2,500 cases. That doesn't qualify for an epidemic at all.